Hello guys, 45 na tayo. So, usapang ICDIS to guys, or LOP, or Line of Position. So, ito yung forma ng ICDIS namin guys. So, kung paano mag-LOP, doon ka lang sa log, then event log, then position event, then magpa-pop up yung isang multi-window. So, pindutin mo lang yung true bearing and distance. Yan guys. So, meron pipilian yung tatlo guys. So, piliin mo lang yung true bearing distance. Yan, guys. And then, itutok mo sa mga landmark. So, hindi ko na natutok sa landmark. Dito na lang. Kasi, para madali. Yan, guys. So, yan yung line, bearing, and distance. So, yan, guys. Yan yung position ng barko mo at that specific time. So, add mo yan. And then, record. Tadaan! May LOP ka na. So, yan guys, 2300